Right. Once you are in your catalog, you'll see all of the videos that Minta has created for you. Once you select a template that you like, you're able to customize text, music, and your products on that template. All you need to do is click on the little pencil. So we're going to click on the pencil and first select music. If you select the music, you're able to scroll through all of the choices here and hit this arrow to preview a sample. Once you are done previewing and find the music that you like, you simply click on it and till it has a check mark, and then you hit apply. That will apply that music to the template you are working on. And as you can see, the video is working to put the new music in that you just selected. All right, we're going to go ahead and click on the pencil again. And we're going to select products. This is going to allow you to search your store and add different products. This specific template can have up to 7 products. So we will just type in Sesame Street. This is going to then search your store for anything with those keywords, and you can simply click on the image and it will then import that product to your video. If you would like to select the images that are shown, you simply click on the image tab and you can select and deselect by just clicking on the image, and you'll see a pink highlight box around the image that is showing you that it will be used in your video. So you're able to choose from all of the images that you have on that listing in your Shopify store. Once you're happy with all of the products in your shop and the images, you can just simply click apply. And the last thing we're going to show you is the text customization. So go ahead and click on the pencil again and select text. Here, Minta already gives you a list of suggested words. You're also able to type in your own words. So if it's something like the Sesame Street birthday I just put in, I could put Sesame Street birthday. And you'll see here you do have a character limit, so you want to keep it under that limit. So I might put B-Day, just so that there's enough. And then once you are happy with your text, you can just click apply. And then you'll see the video kind of blinking here. And what it's doing is making those changes. So as you can see now, Sesame Street birthday is the text along the side. And if I play the video, it has both products. And you have just used some of the features to customize your video.